Hi everyone, thank you for joining today's webinar. I am Sheila, and today we have here Ethan Reiter from Mantle and MJ Belmont from Westminster Tool with us, presenting Unlocking Conformal Cooling Software Design Hardware Build. Ethan Reiter is the Director of Marketing at Mantle. He has an extensive experience in technical marketing for design and manufacturing products. He previously ran the technical marketing team at Desktop Mantle, a 3D printing manufacturer focused on volume production. Before that, Ethan worked on the rapid prototyping team at MIT Lincoln Laboratory, where he worked on the laser communication system for the NASA Orion mission. MJ Belmont is the business development and project manager at Westminster Tool. He has been with them for 8 years, establishing a long and diverse foundation in the injection molding technical knowledge. MJ's experience over the years includes exposure to almost every area of the business, from marketing operations, quoting to project management. Today, his focus lies on the customer experience, helping customers overcome their biggest molding problems with comprehensive project oversight.
Great. Thank you for that introduction. And thanks for joining us, everyone. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Can everyone see that okay, hopefully? MJ, can you see that? Cecilia?
Yep.
Awesome. Awesome. So thanks everyone for joining. Thanks for that introduction. My name is Ethan Reiter. MJ is on the line here as well, and we'll kind of be going back and forth here. Today we're going to be talking about conformal cooling, software design, and of course Moldex 3D, and then hardware built and how you actually build these conformally cooled inserts. Quick agenda for today, and of course feel free to send any questions as you have them. I can actually be looking live as well as at the end we'll look at them, but we'll start with a quick introduction to Westminster Tool. We'll talk about why use conformal cooling at all and some of the benefits. We'll look at how you actually fabricate these tools. It's one thing to have them in digital across on the camera, but I'll talk about a couple things and how our technology actually works. We'll look at some examples, or MJ will share some examples from work that they've done. And then, of course, we'll do questions and answers at the end. So with that, let's go ahead and jump right in, and I'll turn things over here to MJ. Thanks.
Great. Thanks, Ethan. So yeah, first, let me introduce about Westminster Tool for those of you who are not familiar with us. Primarily, we are an injection mold builder, typically in the Class 101 medical field. I would say about 90% of our tools are somewhat medical device or anything basically in regards to the medical.